upbeat travel vlog style music starts and then fades to a background level "Hey everyone" and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on an epic food adventure. I'm in the beautiful city of Namur, Belgium, and right now the place Darms is absolutely buzzing. It's a street food festival, and the air is just electric with incredible smells. I've heard there are over 30 stalls here. 30. My mission, which I have enthusiastically accepted, is to try as much as humanly possible on a solo culinary quest. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First things first, when in Belgium, you have to start with the classics. My nose led me straight to this chip truck. And these aren't just any fries, my friends. They are the real deal, perfectly crispy on the outside, fluffy and soft on the inside. I got them with a generous dollop of spicy Andalouse sauce. Let's give it a go. Sound of a satisfying crunch. Oh yeah, that is perfection. Eyes closed, savoring the moment. That is the taste of Belgium right there. A solid 10 out of 10 to kick things off. Base approved. Let's see what's next. All right, walking just a few steps further, and I'm hit by this incredible aroma of cumin and grilled meat. I've tracked it down to this store right here. They're making authentic marinated chicken dürüm wraps. Look at this beauty. It's packed with fresh veggies and that chicken smells absolutely divine. It's hearty, it's got just the right amount of spice. And the thin bread is doing a fantastic job of holding all that juicy goodness together without falling apart. Every bite is a perfect balance of flavors. This is the kind of street food that feels both satisfying and surprisingly fresh. My taste buds are having a party. On to the next discovery. Okay, I'm switching continents now. The smell of lemongrass and chili has pulled me in. I found this amazing little spot serving up Thai dishes. The colors alone are just incredible. I decided to go for a small bowl of pad Thai. You can see the stir-fried rice noodles, juicy shrimp, and a generous sprinkle of crushed peanuts. Let's get a bite with a little bit of everything. Wow, that is an explosion of flavor. You get the sweetness, the sourness from the lime, a little bit of heat, and then that crunchy texture from the peanuts. It's such a perfect contrast to the rich, savory flavors I've had so far. It's light, it's zesty, and it's exactly what I needed. This festival is a global journey. The international tour continues. I couldn't resist this next stall. The vibe is pure Mexico, and I've just been handed a small but mighty-looking taco. This one is filled with seasoned beef, and look at that fresh touch of cilantro and a little bit of onion on top. It's simple, but sometimes simple is best. Let's see. Takes a bite. Oh, that is so good. The beef is seasoned perfectly. It's tender, and that fresh coriander just cuts through the richness beautifully. It's a little powerhouse of flavor in one perfect package. I could honestly eat about 5 of these, but I have to save room. The adventure must go on. Look at this. I've just stumbled upon this awesome vintage-looking food truck. It's got such a cool retro aesthetic, and they're serving up gourmet mini burgers. This just proves that fast food can absolutely have a touch of class. This little guy has a soft brioche bun, and the patty looks so tender and juicy. It's the perfect size for a festival, letting you try more things. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Takes a bite, oh absolutely. The bun is so buttery and the steak is cooked perfectly. It's got that high-quality, melt-in-your-mouth texture. This is a burger for foodies. Incredible. What a find. All right, it's time to get back to our Belgian roots. I was so intrigued when I saw this stall offering artisanal lecho's meatballs, or boulettes as they say here. This is a true Walloon tradition, and it's something you just can't ignore when you're in the region. Look at this rich, dark sauce. It's a slightly sweet tomato and onion sauce, and it smells so incredibly comforting, like a home-cooked meal. Let me get a forkful. Takes a bite. Oh, wow. That is pure comfort in a bowl. The meatball is so tender, and that sauce is it's rich. It has a deep flavor, a little sweet, a little savory. It's like a warm hug. This is a must-try. After all those savory and spicy dishes, my sweet tooth is calling. And what better way to answer it in Belgium than with a waffle? I found a stall making thin, crispy liege waffles. Fresh off the iron, it's still warm, and you can see how the sugar has perfectly caramelized on the outside. The smell alone is intoxicating. Let's just break a piece off. Sound of a light snap. The texture is just incredible. It melts in your mouth. It's light, it's crispy, it's sweet, but not too sweet. This is pure, unadulterated happiness right here. I don't think it gets any better than this. Simple, classic, and absolutely perfect. To cool down my palate after all those amazing spices and flavors, I've opted for one last sweet treat. I found this little stall selling artisanal ice cream, and I went for a mini serving of speculoos flavor. For those who don't know, speculoos is a classic spiced short crust cookie from this region, and it's one of my all-time favorite flavors. The ice cream is so creamy, and you get those little crunchy bits of cookie mixed in. It's the perfect, refreshing end to my savory journey. The cinnamon and caramel notes are just divine. What a way to wrap things up. So, I've found a little bench to sit on for a moment, just to take it all in. The sun is starting to set, casting this beautiful golden glow over the square. The energy here is just incredible. People are laughing, eating, sharing food. It's just pure joy. I definitely didn't make it to all 30 stalls. That might have been a bit too ambitious. But I feel like I discovered some absolute treasures today. My heart and definitely my stomach are full of the vibrant gourmet energy of Namur. This has been such a successful culinary adventure, a perfect afternoon spent exploring through taste. What an incredible day! From traditional Belgian frites to international delights like tacos and pad thai. And finishing with those heavenly waffles, Namur's street food scene has completely blown me away. This is what travel is all about, discovering the heart of a place through its food. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this food tour, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments which dish you would have tried first. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. Bye.